Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the Java interface. An interface is a reference type in Java. It is similar to the class. It is collection of abstract methods. A class implement an interface, thereby inheriting the abstract method of the interface. The interface is used in the multiple inheritance in Java. Along with the abstract method, an interface may also contain constant, default methods, static method, and nested type. The method body exists only for default method and static method. Writing the interface is similar to the writing a class. You know that. But a class describes the attribute and behavior of the object. When we declare the class, we define the attribute, behavior, and the object. And the interface contain behavior of that particular class implement. So unless the class that implement the interface is abstract, all method of the interface need to be defined in the class. So in the Java, an interface defines a set of specification that over the classes must implement. For example, how we can define the interface? Interface, then interface name, and here we include the method in that interface. So for example, interface polygon, in that polygon interface public void get area. So here polygon is an interface. We have to use interface keyword to declare the interface. That as we declare a class, we use class keyword, class and class name. So when we declare the interface or define the interface, then we use the keyword interface, then interface name. The get area is the method, is a specification defined in the polygon interface. All the classes that use in the interface must be implement the get area method. An interface can be include abstract method and constant. For example, suppose interface polygon, in this interface I again declare a string public static final string color equal to blue, and I call the method getArea. Now in above example we have created an interface polygon. It includes the constant variable color and abstract method getArea. So it is important to note that all the method inside an interface are implicitly public and all field are implicitly public static final. So hence it is not necessary to specify the access specifier inside the interface. For example, we can write the above example code like that: interface polygon, and here static string color equal to blue and void get area, because the by default the variable and the method is a public static final. So we need not be give the access modifier to that particular interface. So we can declare the above program like that: interface polygon string color equal to blue and void get area. So how to implement keyword in the interface? Like the abstract classes, we cannot create the object of the interface. In the previous lecture we had seen the abstract classes. What is data abstraction? Data abstraction is used for the data hiding purpose. So we cannot create the object of the interface. So like that, abstract classes we cannot create the object of the interface. However, we can implement the interfaces in other classes. In Java we use the implement keyword to implement the interface. For example, interface polygon, here we we declare a method void get area, and we pass the two argument length and breadth. Now here class rectangle implements polygon. So this is the class of rectangle, and that implement the interface polygon. Now here in that particular class we define the getArea method. GetArea method have two argument, length and breadth. Now here we print the area of the rectangle, and we pass here direct formula: length into breadth is nothing but the area of the rectangle. So when we declare the another class, main class, and in that main class we call the main method, and here we create the object of this class r1, and we pass r1 dot get area and size of the length, value of the length and breadth. Now when this program is run and compile and run, then it will be show the output. The area of the rectangle is 30 because 6 into 5 is 30, so it will be show the output. The area of the rectangle is 60. Now in the above program we have to create an interface polygon. The polygon interface has an abstract method get area. So this method, that any class that implement the polygon must provide an implementation of the get area method. So note that the rectangle class which implement the polygon interface has the method get area with implementation. So why use the interfaces in our program? Note that we know what interface are. Let's run above why the interface are used in the Java. So interface provide a specification that a class which implement it must follow. In our above example, we have used get area method as a specification inside the interface polygon. So this is like a setting a rule that we should be able to get the area of every polygon. So any class that implement the polygon interface must provide the implementation for the get area method. Similar to the abstract classes, the interface help us to achieve the abstraction in the Java. So here we know the get area. To calculate the area of the polygon, we use the get area method. But the way area is calculated is different for different polygons. Hence, the implementation of the get area is independent of one another. So that's why purpose we use the interface in our program. So interface are also used to achieve the multiple inheritance in Java. I told you that the in the when we implement the multiple inheritance in Java, then we use the interface instead of the class. So if the subclass is inherited from the two more classes, it is the multiple inheritance. So the Java multiple inheritance is not possible by extending the classes. However, the class can implement multiple inheritance interface. So this allow us to get the functionality of multiple inheritance in Java. For example, interface line. Here this is the definition or body of the interface. Now interface polygon. There are these two interfaces, and now we implement with the help of the class rectangle implement line comma polygon, and here is the body of this class. So here rectangle has provide the implementation for all method of both line as well as polygon. So what is the private and static method in the interface? With the release of the Java 8 version, interface now can include the static method. Similar to the class, we can access the static method of an interface using its reference. For example, polygon.static method. So also the interface support private method with reference release in the Java 9 version. Now you can use the private method and the private static method in the interfaces. Since you cannot instantiate interfaces, private method are used to helper method that provide to support the other method in the interfaces. So default method in the interface, which with the release of the Java 8 method with implementation, default method were introduced inside the interface. Before that, all the methods were abstract in the Java. Note that all the methods in the interface is an abstract method in the Java. So to declare the default method inside the interface, we use the default keyword. For example, public default void get side, and here we include the body of the get side method. Why the default method is used? Let's take a scenario to understand why the default method are introduced in the Java. Suppose we need to add the new method in an interface. We can add the method in our interface easily without implementation. However, that not end of the story. All our classes that implement that interface must provide the implementation for the method. If a large number of classes were implementing these interfaces, we need to track all these classes and make the changes in them. So this is not only tedious but error prone as well. So to resolve this, the Java introduced default methods. The default methods are inherited like ordinary method. Let's take some example to have the better understanding of the default method. For example, suppose I take a interface polygon. Here I declare a method getArea, and here I another declare a method which is default method default void getSide, and here in that getSide method I print the message I can get side of polygon. Now here we create a class rectangle and implement the polygon interface. Now here in the getArea method we assign the length and breadth of the breadth 6 and 5 respectively, and we calculate the area and assign the area equal to length into breadth, and here we print the value of the area. Now public void getSide, here we again print a message I have 4 sides. Now class square implement polygon. So here public void getArea. Now here when we calculate the area of the polygon, we multiply the length twice. Now here suppose the length of the polygon is 5 and we length of the square is a 5. Now we calculate the area equal to length into length, and we print the area of the square. Now here in the main method, when we call the main class, now we create a rectangle object r1 and r1 dot get area and r1 dot get side. Now we create another class object s1 square s1 and we call s1 dot get area. When we compile and run this program, the area of the rectangle is 30 and I have 4 sides and the area of square is 25. So in the above example, we have created an interface polygon, and polygon have a default method getSide and the abstract method getArea. The class rectangle then implement polygon. The rectangle provide an implementation for the abstract method getArea and to override the default method getSide. So we have created the another class square also implement the polygon. Here square only provide an implementation for the abstract method getArea. Hope you have to understand this example. Now we take the another example. Suppose interface my interface. Now here in that my interface we take two method, public void method 1 and public void method 2. Now we create a class demo and that implement the my interface. Now here we create the definition of method 1, we print in that method 1 implementation of method 1. Now we create the body of the method 2 and in that particular function we add the message implementation of method 2. Now we create a main method, we call the main method public static void main, and here my interface obj equal to new demo, and here we call obj dot method 1. When we run that program, then it will show the particular output. What it will be show the output obj dot method 1, that means implementation of the method 1, because we call the method 1 method. So here this is about the interface in Java. Hope you have to understand this topic, and if you not understand, if you have any problem, then message me on WhatsApp. Thank you friend.